Yo, what's good? It's your boy Meetch back with another video. You feel me? Today we messed up, but I got good news. You feel me? After this video, I'm gonna create that video. I'm gonna edit it up. I'm gonna drop that. Then I'm gonna drop this video. But today I'm hyped. Yesterday I was hyped. Today, you're gonna see why. Today I'm hyped because I'm glad to introduce you. One, like in the last video or in the previous, I dropped the Discord server. I now have a Discord server that y'all are open to join, and you feel me? We can learn this and we can up the game together. We can help each other. And I have started my prop firm challenge today. So that's what we will be trading. Yes, sir. Let's get straight to it. You already know it is 9:30. Market had just freshly opened. You see how we moving right now. You see how we moving right now. Sheesh. Off the rip. Y'all see how we moving right now. So I'm with Topstep. We are doing off a $50,000 account. And yeah, honestly, being real with you, I just hope I'm able to catch my strat back to back and I learn something new. Like I said, yeah, we'll find out in the next video once I edit and I drop everything for that video. But that is coming real soon for yesterday. Yesterday was a crazy day, man. For real. Whew. But yeah, we're gonna go to a 1 hour time frame right now. It's still in a downtrend right now, so we're gonna switch back to the 1 minute. Really staying 5 minutes till 35, so I'm gonna stay in 5 minutes till 35, and then we're gonna mark our highs and lows, our 5 minute highs and lows, and we're gonna be watching for a break or retest, or we're gonna do, or if we can find the one candle, I think, one candle rule I believe is called. I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna try and look for that. I did it yesterday. Yeah, we'll see. It's a lot. I'm telling you, it's a lot. Yesterday was crazy. If y'all joined the Discord, y'all know we went crazy yesterday for a fact. Yesterday was a great day, for real. Yep. All right, it's 55. 55, y'all know what we do. So we looking at this 9:10, 1 minute mark, 1 minute time frame. So 1 minute time frame, 9:30 to 9:35. Tripping. That's high day right there. 9:30 right there. Then let's spread that out to boom. That's our 5 minute high. And our low would be 34, 35. The lowest he went was down here. And that's gonna go about right here. So we got our 5 minute high and 5 minute low zones marked up. We're just gonna wait for that and see. Do them both on my trading view in here. Zones are set. Just gonna wait for, you feel me, a nice break and retest, hopefully, or a trend. One of the two. Wait for like 9:45 to roll out. We're gonna wait for 9:45 to roll out and then see what that does for us. Yeah, as y'all can see today, we're on actually even smoother because Currently, right now, the previous video, I was tight. I don't know if y'all could tell. I was overly tight. Like everything was not moving the way it needed to move. I need to flow smooth like it's doing here. No problems. That's what I be needing. But I'm grateful that God, everything got figured out, cleaned, and all that, and we are good to go. So. Well. We have been presented with a break. We be presented with that retest. You feel me? That is the real question. Will we be presented with a beautiful, strong retest? I hope so. I hope so, my brothers and sisters.
Order filled.
I'm gonna set my order here, right? But I'm gonna set my
Order filled.
wait. I didn't wait. How does this work? Oh, how did wait? I thought shit, it's good I didn't do it then. I guess it's good I lost it right there, but wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Order filled.
Just wait a minute. Ooh. Ooh wee, y'all. Ooh wee, y'all. Ooh wee, y'all. Like what? Ooh wee, that is a crazy one. For the first day, we are grateful. Thank the Lord, you feel me? A beautiful one. Do I know we're at 18 seconds to figure out? I don't know where higher date, like, we're already past higher date. You feel me? We creating another one. I'm already in my 2 hour multiple. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna close out because we are where we need to be.
Order filled.
And just like that, bang, first day completed by the grace of God. Yes, Lord. We got our zones, like I said, we got our zones. I entered up high upper, like what right here. I'm glad it did drop. I should have caught it right here too. But I mean, I really didn't know what was happening for real. If it did, you feel me? But yeah, I didn't really know what was really more so going on and things of that nature. So by all means, that is good. Got our trade, and that's all that matters. You feel me? We are up first day. Highly appreciated. And like I mentioned, Discord. Y'all can join me in my Discord. It will be down in the description. Y'all join up. Let's run it up together. You feel me? Let's run this up. You feel me? Sometimes y'all be able to catch these videos live. You see, right now I don't got Discord open because it's just me in there. But you feel me? As we start getting more people, I'm gonna start these videos that I'm recording will be happening live in Discord, and then you feel me? So y'all will be getting the live insights and things of that nature. So yeah, y'all make sure y'all tap in. You feel me? As y'all can see, today was a good first day, and we thank God for that. Yeah, I'm gonna keep an eye on the market, see like you feel me where it ends up going to, but that was good. That was a good first day. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I try to post daily. That's the goal, unless any mishaps. But I post daily, and yeah, peace.